Good afternoon, student. Today start Today start topic is special character. Special character. A special character is found on a standard English keyboard. Special character are those that fall outside the basic alphabet of the language. For example, this example and PC. Okay, the special character here. Okay, not present your keyboard. Okay, what is special character? A special character is not found on the standard English keyboard. Okay, special character are those that fell outside the basic alphabet of the language. Clear? For example, okay, this example. The next the inserting is special character. The insert a special character. Number one, place the cursor at the desired position in the document where you want the character to appear. Clear? Point number one, place the cursor at the desired position in the document where you want the character to appear. Okay, next, point number two, click insert special character to open the special character dialog box. Clear? Point number two, click insert special character to open the special character dialog box. Okay, and or select the special character icon from the insert toolbar. Okay, select the special character icon from insert toolbar. Okay, next, this is your special toolbar dialog box. Okay, special character dialog box to insert special character. Okay, special character dialog box to insert special character. Okay, next, your header and footer. Header and footer. What is a header and footer? Header is a portion of document that ways appear at the bottom of the page, whereas footers appear at the bottom of a page. Okay, header are the portion header are portion of document that always appear at the top of a page, whereas footers appears at the bottom of a page. Okay, next, typical headers display the title or chapter. Typically, headers display the title or chapter name of a document, whereas folder footers as used for page numbering. Clear? Header and footer. Okay, display your title, header, page number, and header. Okay, your header and footers. Clear? Next.
In this video, we're going to talk about inserting headers and footers inside of OpenOffice documents. Now, if you ever wanted to have information appear above or below your main text that is consistent across each page, that's exactly what headers and footers are good for. So to insert a header, you would go to the Insert menu, followed by Header or Footer, and the page style contained within. Now, the reason they have page styles here is because if you have multiple page styles in a document, different pages having different page styles, then you can actually have multiple types of headers that display different kinds of information within your document, and the same applies to footers as well. So we can insert our default page style header by just left-clicking on default right here, and we'll be given this little box, of course, given the same borders that the main body has, but much smaller because it's only going to extend as tall as how many lines we put in it. And we can use either the left side, the middle side, or the right side, getting there by hitting tab, to add fields or other information like our name into the document. And what will happen is every page that contains this same style, for instance, if I hit Control Enter for a page break to create a new page immediately, on the second page that has the default page style, it's going to have the same information. Now, as for page styles, you can see all the page styles by hitting F11 to open up styles and formatting. We've been here before on the fourth page of that, or fourth tab rather. You can see all of the page styles associated with this current document. And we can also create new ones by going New Style from Selection, which will use the one we have selected from this list as the default settings for the new one, and then we can edit it. But by painting from here, using the fill format mode, it will actually change the page style of every page in the document. Sometimes you want that. For instance, if you wanted to go landscape mode, you just basically select fill format mode, click on your document, and all the pages are going to be changed to the landscape. But if you want to have multiple footers or headers, that's not actually how you would go about doing it. What you would do is, say you had the first page being a title page, and then from every page past that, you wanted to actually change that into a secondary format. So you right-click on the first page, you go to Page, and then on the Organizer tab, you can choose the next page style, and this means the page style of the page that follows this one. For instance, we can change that to Landscape, and now the second page is going to be Landscape, and I believe every page after that is going to default to the same one as well, unless we go in here and manually change it. So if I go to Page here, it's going to say next page, or next page style is going to be Landscape as well. Now, if I want to add a header or footer to the landscape pages, then what I have to do is go back up to Insert, Header, and find Landscape, or Footer, same way with that. So we add a landscape footer. It works exactly the same way. We have a blank slate. We can add fields in here if we want, for instance, the time. And the thing about fields is that you can also get very complicated with them if you go, instead of selecting one of these, to Other, or hitting Control F2, where you'll be given this dialog box. And that's what we're going to be talking about in the next video, getting more in depth with fields and how they work, what you can do with them. So until the next video, I'll see you then.
Okay, clear header and footer. So next start to insert a page number. Okay, to insert a page number, you can easily insert a page number filled in the footer of your document. You can also add a page count to the footer. Okay, point number one, choose the insert menus, field footer, then default, and next second choose insert fields and page number, this type. Okay, click the insert menu and click footers and click default. The next step, your insert fields and your page number. Clear? And insert page number, display your header, and footer your display page number. Okay, and next your assignment activity. Assignment activity, point number one, it is the default alignment in writer. So left margin your default alignment in writer. Okay, left margin the default alignment in writer. Okay, clear? And point number two, it is the type of list which has proper sequence. It is a type of list which a proper sequence. So number means 1 2 3 4 5 6, proper sequence, numbered. Okay, and point number, I represent special character, your symbol. Clear? Special character means symbol. ठीक है, different type of symbol, special character. And next, point number four, I am always found the top of document. Top means header and bottom means footer. Clear? So I am always found the top of document. So answer your header. Okay, next point, I am the special key for the help to typing accent characters. So answer your shift key. And point number six, I help the align the document within both margin, both sides equal. Okay, left and right both sides equal. So right answer is justified. I help the align the document within both margin, so justify. Okay, the second, list within another list. List within other list means list under list. So list within another list, nested list. Okay, and point number 10, I help the placement. I help in placement of the text within the document. Answer your alignment. Okay, place the text means right, left, center, and then justify. Okay, your text. So I help the placement of the text within the documents. Answer your alignment. Clear? And next, point number 9, I am symbol. Symbol SYM आएगा, SYMBOL, symbol used to for making under unordered list. So right answer is bullets. Clear? I am symbol, SYMBOLS, symbol used for making under अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट इन बुलेट्स, है ना। सिंबल स्पेलिंग करेक्ट कर लो, SYMBOLS, सिंबल्स यूज फॉर मेकिंग अंडर unordered list bullets. And last point number 10, I am always found the bottom of the page footer. Top pages means header or bottom page means footer, clear. And I am always found the bottom of page footer. Okay, okay, thank you.